Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new challenges and adventures. Take a look at this 2019 Ram 1500 Limited Crew Cab in ivory tri-coat. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 22-inch aluminum wheels, power chrome trailer tow mirrors, lane departure warning plus, LED tail lamps, tow package, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 33,000 miles on the odometer, 12-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, ventilated rear seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, LED bed lighting, 5.7-liter V8 Hemi engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 6089A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.